So you're thinking about buying a short sale or foreclosure property, but are not sure what the pros and cons are. Well, we're going to break it down for you in this video so that you can make an informed decision. So what's up with short sales and foreclosures? Well, I'll tell you. You see, a lot of people call them short sales because they take less time than a standard sale. They can be pretty awesome for some people, but not so great for others. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know before making your decision on whether it's right for you or not. Sit back, relax, because class is in session. What is a foreclosure? Well, foreclosure is a legal process in which the foreclosure sale purchaser acquires title to the property being foreclosed. Foreclosure can be used for both real estate and personal property foreclosure proceedings. The foreclosure process takes place when mortgage payments are delinquent or when other covenants of the contract have been violated, typically by not paying taxes or insurance on time, not maintaining the proper hazard or flood insurance coverage, etc. A foreclosure auction will then be advertised with an asking price that reflects what the investor paid for it, plus any outstanding debt plus foreclosure costs, i.e., marketing expenses. When this happens, there may be bidding wars between investors who want to buy at a low cost and hold it until prices rise. What is a short sale? A short sale is a foreclosure alternative in which the homeowner sells their home to the lender for less than what they owe on it. In other words, it's a voluntary foreclosure. A short sale may be advantageous if you're upside down on your mortgage, meaning that you owe more money on your mortgage than your home is worth. For example, if you own a $100,000 house, but have only been able to make payments of $90,000 because its value is dropped below that amount and now appraises at just $80,000, then you are upside down by 10%. When this happens and foreclosure proceedings start up again with no hope of catching up or coming out ahead financially, i.e., selling the property for $80,000, you may be able to strike a deal with your lender. This way, foreclosure can be avoided and you'll get what little money is left over from the sale after the lender takes their dues. So what are the differences between foreclosure and short sales? Many people are not familiar with foreclosure properties and short sales. These two types of foreclosure are often used interchangeably, when in fact they are very different. Foreclosures have no negotiation involved in them. All offers are accepted at face value. Short sales involve negotiating with the bank for a mutually agreeable price. If you're upside down on your mortgage, meaning that you owe more money on your mortgage than your home is worth, then it may be beneficial to get into a short sale rather than a foreclosure, because foreclosure proceedings will leave you with less money than a short sale would. If you're new, consider subscribing, as we post content daily to help you escape the rat race. And if you're up to it, giving us a like is greatly appreciated, but no pressure. Back to the video. Now the moment you've been waiting for. Why might you want to buy these type of properties? The simple answer is they're cheap. Foreclosed homes can be purchased for much less than market price, and this makes them appealing for investors who want to buy low and sell high. It's important that you know how foreclosure works before deciding whether or not this method will work best for your needs. Short sales, on the other hand, do involve negotiating with the bank for a mutually agreeable price. However, the main benefit of short sales over foreclosure properties is a lower purchase price and fewer foreclosure fees. To be fair, not everything with these properties is gold fruit, humph. See what I did there? Foreclosure properties come with a lot of drawbacks that you should know about before deciding to go through foreclosure or not. The main drawback to foreclosure is the time it takes from start until completion, which can vary from 45 days up to years. This lengthy process does not include how long the home will stay vacant after foreclosure either, which could be very costly if you're buying foreclosures as investment properties because they'll likely need some repairs done during this period. Some drawbacks come with short sales as well. Here are just a few examples. You have less time to work on getting financing because you're cutting it close by jumping into negotiations right away. Lenders may be hesitant about giving you credit if they believe your foreclosure will happen soon. Your credit score will take a hit as lenders report back information on the foreclosure and short sale activity from your credit report to major credit bureaus such as TransUnion and Experian. This can negatively affect your future mortgage applications. Knowing the difference between a short sale and foreclosure property is important for home buyers and investors. If you're thinking about purchasing your next dream house or investment property, these two types of properties might be what you're looking for. They're cheap and have potential for huge profits. Just be mindful of the drawbacks and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, give us a like and let us know in the comments what you would like to see us talk about next. And as always, please subscribe.